Okay, in order to start downloading Oracle data, first of all you need to have a username and a password. This will usually be provided to you in an email. So just check your email and you should see this link and you should see a username and a password. And all you need to do is click on the link and you will be taken to the login page. Incidentally, you can also get to the login page by going to the OracleTraders website on our home page and just clicking on the login on the top right hand side. And if you click on login, it'll take you back to the same page. So all you need to do is go to the original email we've sent you and just copy and paste your username and your password into these boxes, and you'll be allowed to log in to the download section. Once you're on the download section, you need to download the history installer. The history installer is the second file in the list. You'll see it here. Make sure you get the full history back to 1992 and click on the Australian server on the right hand side. Now once you click on the Australian server on the right hand side, make sure you save the file, and you'll notice on my computer it's saving to the downloads folder. On your computer it may save itself to the My Documents folder or to the desktop. Doesn't really matter. What does matter is that you remember where the folder is so you can locate the file later. And that file has downloaded now. So now that we've got the history installer downloaded and saved in the download section of my computer, and it says download complete, we can close this box down. Okay, now that's been closed. The second file we need is the program installer, and just like before, you locate the program installer and click on the Australian server, and again you press save, and it should save itself to the same location. And it's important that you save both files to the same location on your computer. So in my case, in this example, it's the My Downloads folder, and download both files. When both files have been downloaded, you can then run the program installer. So I'll just click on run, and you'll get this message from Windows saying, are you sure you would like to run this software? Just say yes, run, and it will bring up the installer wizard. So just select next. Obviously you need to accept the license agreement and click next. At this stage you should be asked, would you like to install the historical data at this time? Say yes, and basically leave all of these settings to the default and just keep hitting next until it finally says install. Okay, that's finished, and you'll say at the top, it'll say thank you, the installation is complete, and just select finish. And what that will give you is a new icon on your desktop, the Oracle Stocks icon. When you double click on the Oracle Stocks icon, it will launch the Oracle Stocks program, and by default it'll probably bring you into the configuration tab at the very top. Now here's where you'll need to put in your username, your password, and also your email address. Once you've entered those details, just press save down the bottom. When you press save, it'll probably bring you back out of that tab, probably to the update tab. If it does, just click back on the configuration tab for a second and just confirm that it did save your username and password, and then press the database structure button. We advise most of our clients to untick the A to Z structure and then press save. And this will get rid of any folders A, B, C, D, and it will just put all stocks in one folder called the equities folder, which I'll show you in a second. It doesn't take long. Basically it'll rearrange the folders here, and at the end it will just say finished. Okay, now to update your data each day, just make sure the Metastock program is closed, press the update tab and then hit the update button. That doesn't really matter for now because I don't really want to update my data, but always remember to make sure Metastock is closed when you're updating your data. Now that you've downloaded the data, all you need to do is go into the Metastock software and then find it. Now to find the Metastock data for the first time, all you need to do is click on the open folder. When you click on the open folder, you'll be given this box, and it will probably say sample data. Now we don't want to look at the sample data, we want to look at the ASX data. So use this button here and click it twice. When you click it twice, it should take you back to the C drive of your computer, or local disk C. When you double click on local disk C, scroll down and find the trading data folder. It should be there. When you find the trading data folder, double click it and you'll find the stocks folder. Double click the stocks folder and then you'll find the ASX folder. Double click on the ASX folder and then you'll find the equities folder. When you double click on the equities folder, you will then find all of the Australian data waiting for you. All you need to do is type in a code. So for this example, I'll just type in ANZ. And then on the right hand side, just click open. And that will bring up the ANZ chart. Now the next time you go up to that open button, Metastock will remember where the data lives. It will no longer look at sample, it will go to the equities folder. So I can just type in, for example, Rio, and I will open Rio. And basically that's how you download and install the data, and that's how you open your charts in Metastock. Now, we also have these instructions available on our website under the support page, or if you want, you can give us a call and we'll happily step you through the process. And that's basically how it's done.